Hello guys! It's me again, Fatima Adnan, living in Pakistan. And then, magtutupi ako ng damit ko kasi I wash this morning time and then now it's dry now, and then I need to fold it and then I put in the cupboard. Yes. Oh my God. Pasensya na yung ano ko, yung mukha ko parang ano lang ba. Yan. I want being a vlogger, I want be happy, I want enjoy being a vlogger, guys. Okay, let's go. Samahan niyo ako mag-tupi. Yes, guys. So now, guys, kailangan natin magtupi. Diyos ko. My God, my Ibil-bil na ko, guys. Unsa naman eh. Oh my gosh. Ganito magtupi. Kailangan ano. Kailangan, oh my God, hindi makita. Like this, how to fold the cloth. Charot. Yes, guys. This time, guys, is 3 p.m. Here in Pakistan. 3 p.m. Look at my hair. My hair is little wet. Yeah. Masap yung buhok ko, guys. Kaya pahanginan. Pahanginan. Aga ko kasi na gano'n. Maaga akong naliligo pero naka ano siya, nakatali ba? Nainis ako sa ano ko, sa isa kong cellphone. Ayaw mag-charge. Oh my God. Kind of charger. So slow. From morning and until now not charged, only 50% until now. My God, 3 o'clock. Oh my God. Dito sa Pakistan, guys, maganda naman dito sa Pakistan, pero ang hindi ko lang ano, yung basta I don't want to see anything. You know guys, food here in Pakistan is so yummy. Yes, so yummy, not same other, so tasty, so yummy, and Pakistan is beautiful place and food is so tasty, and also people here is good, and especially when you work and same me like housekeeping or babysitter, all madam is good, and every weekend, sometimes any employer have every weekend holiday. Yes, or or three 3 days holiday, like that. Ay, Diyos mio. Ay, me and my husband is separate.